Hello there. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell button for you to be notified for my new videos. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture in Twitter. First things first, you need to make sure that you are already logged into your Twitter account. Now, this is how it looks like if you are already logged into your Twitter account. Since we are going to change your profile photo or profile picture, the thing you need to select is the profile option that's located on the left portion of your screen. So that's below the lists. Click that one, and this is how it looks like if you'll click your profile icon or option. So for us to change your profile picture, you need to click the edit profile option. And then this is how it looks like after clicking that option. Now for the next step, you need to hover your cursor right here and click the add photo option. On this part, you need now to select that specific photo that you want to be on your profile picture. So let's try to use this one and then click open right after. Now it will load and it will allow you to modify if you want it to be more zoom in, then you can do that one. If you want it to be zoomed out, then you can also do that one. So it depends on your preference. So after that one, just click apply right after and click save. Now try to refresh your profile. And here, that's how you change your profile picture or profile photo in your Twitter account. I hope this video helped you. See you on my next videos. Bye for now.